Snoring. What is snoring? It's a noisy breathing when we sleep. Everybody snores, but some people snore very loudly and it disturbs the person who's sleeping with you, their sleep. Who's more at risk of snoring? People who take alcohol just before sleeping, people who are overweight, people who have a defect in the nose like a commonest being deviated nasal septum, people who have a chronic sinusitis or permanently congested nose or throat. Snoring is because certain tissues in our throat become lax. The image will make you understand which tissues, when they become lax, when our breath goes in and out, it makes a noise. Next reel we will talk of how to control snoring.